So let's go through this quickly. So on the left-hand side, where you can see tails, they are actually turnarounds from the flight operation systems. In the middle, there's just one box right now, but when we scroll a little bit down, we can see more. There are work orders for those turnarounds. And then on the right-hand side, over here, we have the workforce available. So this is getting all that information and putting that all together. But right now, of course, we can see that they are not allocated. So this is the starting point. Exactly. 0%, 0% allocated. So this is the starting point, so that you have data from all those three systems, but not allocated yet.
So a granular overview, basically, you have the flight numbers here, and when it comes to technicians, you also have them sorted by skills.
Sorted by skills, but then also sorted by where they are available. Some are available in certain hangar, and some are available at the apron. So basically, you can also decide how you want to sort and what you want to see. So let's look a little bit about that. So you can actually, on the top here, you can see that there's a base. So you can select which base you want to have, what areas do you want to have apron, which hangars, which day, so, and which work shift, exactly. And all this is made so that it's easy to configure for the customer. So if they, for example, have 12-hour work shifts, 2 per day, it shows here.
Yeah.
Then
finally, you have the aircrafts.
Yeah, well, actually, yeah, and you actually have these filters what you want to see. So, for example, when I'm starting planning, I want to hide those turnarounds that don't have any work packages. So I just click here, and now we have just those that have work packages visible. Then you can also select which aircraft you want to see, and so forth.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and all these turnarounds are, of course, currently in the London Heathrow as selected there. So
yeah,
exactly.
It shows when the aircraft are available for the maintenance.
Exactly, and then you can see also which flights they are coming from, arriving, which flights are they
then
departing.
We have Charles de Gaulle here.
Exactly, yeah. Amsterdam, and so forth. Arriving from JFK, departing then for JFK, and so forth. You can see when they are supposed to arrive, when they are supposed to leave, flight numbers, and so forth. There may be some remarks about the flights, and so forth. All this information is coming from the flight operation systems.
And if you want to have a little bit of a look on the work orders, you can simply check there and see.
Then you can see what is included in that work order. Right now, there are two work orders in the work package. You can see which qualifications are needed, when it is supposed to start, which work order, and so forth.